Hey y'all, what's up and welcome to my channel. And guess what time of the month it is?
Sexy time.
Oh my god, you're so annoying. I'm probably not even gonna edit that out because it's kind of funny. It is June, it is Boxycharm time, and I can't even believe it's already June. Oh my goodness, 6 months into the year. And since it's already 6 months into the year and maybe you've never seen one of my Boxycharm videos or don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly makeup subscription. You get this box and usually 4 to 5 full-size makeup products or beauty products. It's $21 a month, and so far I've been having so much fun doing these videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into my box. Okay, so the theme this month is Getaway, and oh, so cute. I love the palms. And it looks like we have 5 full-size items. And since the theme is Getaway, I thought, do your vacation hair, which this is my natural hair. I always try to do the theme this month, but this shirt is like the most annoying thing in the entire world. But anyway, let's move on. So first thing is by Skin&CO. This is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. So essentially it is just a facial cleanser, and this runs for $25. So this formula is good for removing makeup and impurities while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. I have not tried this yet, but when I have cleansers and masks and I don't do them on video, then I will put my experience in the description box and you can check it there and see if I liked it or not. So some of the ingredients they talk about in here is the black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. It also says that it's formulated with essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. So it's for dry, sensitive skin and helping with hydration. So check the description box. So first thing I'm putting on my face is by Touch in Soul, and this is the No Poreblem Prime Essence. And this runs for $23. This primer is supposed to tighten up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So, whoa, okay, it looks like some medical device. Whoa, it's really liquidy, oh my god. Okay, it feels super, oh wow. It has a lot of fragrance in it. It has flower extract in it. So that must be the scent that I'm getting. All right, it has a nice texture. I could do without the scent just because my skin is sensitive, like it's already red. Okay, so since I have the primer on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation and face makeup, and I'll be right back. So I have all my face makeup done. So the next thing in my box is by Tarte. This is the BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. I kinda wanted the other Tarte palette because it was a face palette, and in one of my other Boxycharms, I got the like Rainforest of the Sea palette, and I liked it. It was nice. This is a neutral palette, hence the Be Naturally You, and they always have the cutest packaging, like the palm trees. It's just so cute. Oh, but this time they have 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. That's always a good thing. So this palette will cost you $36 by itself. So the box is only $21, so I think that's a pretty good deal. There are shade names, but it's taking me too long to like figure out like where they are, so I'm just gonna take this like bone colored shade and just coat that on the eyelids. Oh, it actually has some pigment. Okay, well then I'm gonna go in the crease. And with that same brush, I'm gonna go into this camel colored shade. It's kind of an orangey brown. And that one is really pigmented. So I'm just gonna clean that brush. And I'm gonna put that pink because I just wanna play with it. And I'm gonna put that at the very top to blend out that camel colored shade. So the more I look at this palette, you could go a more champagne to a rose gold look, or you can go more bronzy gold. So what do I wanna do? So if I were to be on vacation, I always go lighter on the eyes. I'm gonna take this more rose gold shade and just go in with my finger. Just pat that on the lid. I'm not a super fan of this shade. I'm gonna wet a flat brush and go in with this really, really light pink shade and just put that closer to the inner corner to brighten it up. I'm just gonna use my finger again. There it is. Brighten up that eye. So the mattes I think are better than the shimmers. And then I'm gonna take this flat edge brush and go in with this chocolate brown to make some liner on the top. Move all those frizzy hairs over. I'm like look at that. Crazy noodle hair. I'm not gonna go all the way in my inner corner. I'm just keeping it on the outside. Taking a pencil brush with that light pink shade. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna take that camel color on this very small blending brush. When I'm on vacation, I do not like to do any gel liners, nothing. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara and I'll be right back. So if you got that eyeshadow palette, I think you're really gonna like it. The shimmers are kind of meh, but I think it turned out like a natural eye look. I feel like my hair is just getting frizzier throughout this video. Oh my gosh. So the last two things in my boxes are for my lips. I have a lip liner. This is by Dirty Little Secret. And I have it in the shade Rosy Posy. And this is $15. I have so many off-the-shoulder shirts. I think they're so cute. Like when you see them, if you're shopping online or if you see them on a mannequin, you're like, oh my God, that's so cute. But then you like buy them and I hate wearing them. But I keep buying them because I'm like, oh, they're so cute. But I hate them and I hate being uncomfortable, so I really need to stop. I usually hate crayon lip liners just because they're usually drier. This one's pretty creamy, but I feel like I have really dry lips sometimes and they get flaky, and when I pull too hard with these kind of lip liners it makes them peely and like you can see my dead skin on there. It's disgusting. I just don't like those. I think it's actually a pretty good formula for a stick, so, or a pencil. A little too pink for me too. I'm not a pink lip girl. Okay, moving on. The very last thing, this is by Dominique Cosmetics and this is the Lemonade Lip Gloss and this runs for $17. I've always wanted to try something from Dominique Cosmetics, so I'm excited to try this. Her eyeshadow palettes look so cute all the time. Very cute packaging, so I wonder if it's gonna smell like lemonade. Oh, what do these smell like? These smell like those cookies that you get like in the bakery section at like H-E-B or Kroger, and they have the icing and the sprinkles, and some people love them, some people hate them. That's what they smell like. I personally, I don't care. I'll eat them. I'm a sweets eater. This goes with the lip liner really good. So it's not a glittery gloss, it's just a pigmented gloss. Not too sticky. Cute. Man, I should have went with more pinky tones for the eyes. That's okay. Okay, so the total value of the month of June was $116, which I think is always fabulous because you only pay $21. I forgot to mention about how I liked this primer. I actually thought my foundation blended beautifully on top of it. I don't think it's so much pore filling, but it definitely gives your skin a smooth canvas, and I really like that because now I'm getting a dry skin and texture around my nose and my mouth, and so I actually enjoyed it and I'll probably use it again. But again, this month I wasn't too blown away, but I think that I got some really good products. I'm excited about the lip gloss and the primer. Let me know what y'all got in your box. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.